Long ago, in the heart of Mossywood forest, there lived a young dragon named Flicker. Flicker was not your ordinary dragon. Instead of breathing fire, Flicker could create magical music with every flap of his wings. One sunny morning, Flicker woke up to find that the music in his wings was gone. No matter how he flapped, spun, or twirled, not a single note danced from his scales. Flicker felt lonely and a little bit afraid. Without his special song, he wondered if his friends, the forest animals, would still want to play with him. Determined to find his lost music, Flicker set off through the woods. First, he met Ruby the rabbit, who was hopping near a patch of wildflowers. "Why are you so quiet today, Flicker?" Ruby asked. "I lost my music," Flicker sniffed. "Have you seen it?" Soon, they came upon Ollie the owl, perched above in a grand old oak tree. "Ollie, have you heard my music?" Flicker pleaded. Ollie blinked thoughtfully. "Sometimes things we think are lost are just hiding. Try listening with your heart, not just your ears." Flicker frowned. How could music hide? The friends wandered deep into Mossywood, where they found a trickling stream. The water bubbled over the rocks, humming a soft tune. Flicker listened carefully. He felt a faint tingling in his wings. "That's beautiful," Flicker whispered, gently fluttering. Suddenly, a single musical note fluttered out and drifted into the air. Excited, Flicker followed the stream, stopping at every twitter, chirp, and rustle. With each new sound, a little more magic returned. At last, Flicker reached the heart of the forest, where the wind sang through the trees like a grand concert. Flicker closed his eyes and flapped his wings. This time, a cascade of magical melodies jingled out. His music was back, brighter than ever. Ruby and Ollie cheered. "Your song was never truly lost," Ollie smiled. "It just needed the courage of your heart and the love of your friends to be heard again." From that day on, every time Flicker flew, his magical music filled Mossywood Forest, reminding everyone that sometimes, what makes us special is always inside us, waiting for the right moment, and the right friends to shine.